Hey, also we just finished setting up this 12-12-18 for a Gonocephalus Chameleon tennis baby. You saw the previous video. Got this little awesome dude here. This is also commonly known as the forest chameleon or the anglehead lizard. It's like little Dilophosauruses, man. These things are so awesome. So we're going to keep the humidity high, providing overhead UVB 5.0. And we're also providing a full spectrum grow light for the peace lily back there. Went ABG, false bottom, Repti soil on top. Boom, there he goes.